Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to show you how to add mileage expenses on Expensya. Go to the Invoices tab, click on Plus Mileage Expenses, then on Add. Start by choosing your vehicle. Enter the address of departure, then the address of arrival, and the number of trips. Expensya will automatically calculate the distance traveled and the value to reimburse. To delete a mileage expense, select it, then click on Delete. If you want to add, modify or disable vehicles, you can do so from the Invoices tab by clicking on the Mileage Expenses button, then on My Vehicles. Thank you and see you soon on Expensya.